Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and as you can see from the thumbnail, guys, we are doing our monthly unboxing on the treat box, guys. So basically what the subscription is, it is a monthly subscription. There are different tiers. I'll leave all the information down below, guys. There's a $15 tier, a $25 tier, and then I forgot what's the last tier, but like I said, all the information will be linked down below if you want to check it out. But basically what it is, you get to try every month some snacks and goodies from other places around the world. How exciting is that? If you love to try different treats, if you love, snacks, or you're a snack lover, that's kind of your thing, definitely you might want to check this out. You can also give it as a gift to anyone that maybe would appreciate it, guys. I know that was so exciting last time that I gave this box a try, and I really enjoyed. I think, where did we go? Brazil. We went to Brazil, found some amazing new treats and some that were okay, like the ham. Yeah, I can still remember the ham. Anyways, guys, so this is what we're going to be unboxing today. And I did want to ask you guys, I normally do my beauty unboxing for each month. We are already in the month of August because everything was just a little bit crazy since July was my birthday, and then right after were my two youngest daughters' birthdays. I kind of didn't have the chance to record that one, but let me know if you still would be interested in me reviewing the beauty boxes for the month of July, or you're like, you know what, it's okay, we're already into August, I'll just wait for your August beauty box. Let me know, so like that I know if that's something you want to see, because if you don't, then I'll just go straight to August and I'll just open my July beauty subscriptions that I have just waiting to be used. So let me know, please, guys. Comment down below so I know what you guys want to see. Now, if you guys don't care, you do want to see my review and first look of the July beauty box, then I'll be definitely recording that next. Okay, but today it's about treat box. Explore the world through food. Yes. This is usually the box that you'll be getting if you do decide to subscribe to, like I said, this treat box. And like I said, if you want to just see if you like it, you could do the most affordable, which I believe is the $15 one, which is not that bad. And yes, by the tier, it depends how many snacks you get. Obviously 15, I think it's 5. I think the 25 is 10, and maybe the last tier, I think, is a little bit more. But all I have to say is you get this box and everyone gets usually the same thing every month. So let's see, where are we going to this month? And this is the month of July, just if I didn't say that in the beginning. So we are checking out July subscription. You won't be able to get this one if you do decide to subscribe, but you'll be getting August, which is this month that we're actually in. Okay, let's open her up. I do not want to drop everything. And usually that little sticker gives us like a little sneak peek of where we're going. So let's get started. I don't even know. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what country this is, so I'm going to be surprised with you. But we do get a little card that tells us exactly where are all these treats from. Okay, let me try to give you another sneak peek because I feel like it's going to fall. I'm gonna put it right here. And it looks like we're going to Seoul, South Korea, guys. We're going to South Korea. Here's the little, kind of like a postcard. It says, welcome to South Korea. It gives you like a small little description. This month's treats come to you from South Korea. South Korea is located partially in Asia and the fascinating country known for its beautiful hilly countryside and so on. How beautiful is that? Okay, I don't think have I ever tried Korean? Maybe Korean food, but definitely I don't think Korean snacks. But it's the first time every time. Here we go. Explore Korea. And another thing that I think is so cool about this subscription box is that it always gives you a recipe for some type of food or treat from the country we are visiting, or the country that we're getting all this yummy goodies from. And this is I'm not even gonna try it. It says Korean rice with mixed vegetables. Oh, that does not sound bad. So there's the recipe, and then you can make it. How fun is that? That's pretty cool. Okay. And this is a list of our treats that we'll be getting, but I never look at them because I want to be surprised, and probably I'm not going to know what half of the stuff are. So I'll probably keep this close to me just so I can kind of get a description of what I'm pulling out. But once again, look, it's packed to the brim, and I do get the $25 tier goodies. Okay, So first off, I'm just gonna get this, which these look like potato chips, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, I do not know what it says because it's in, it's in from Korea. So their size is pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can find it here. These are shrimp chips. Wow, they're shrimp chips. Maybe my mom would like these. It's shrimp chips, crunchy chips that are made from fresh flour and shrimp and then salted and fried. There we go. And I think it says it right here, huh? I should have looked at that. Totally missed this big old sign that says shrimp chip. But there we go. I do like shrimp, but how about the chip? But I want to see, maybe my mom will try them. Okay. Next up is this, which looks like a cookie. I'm trying to see if I don't see. But the picture, I feel like it looks like a little cookie. Maybe like a little Korean version of Oreo. I don't know. This one is a Chichoy. Chichoy Balote is a Korean premier chocolate chip cookie. It's a chocolate chip cookie, guys. Look how good this is. I'm not gonna try everything, but I am intrigued about how this looks. And I'm not a huge cookie person, but I am. It smells pretty good. The smells pretty good. I know my 7-year-old and my husband love cookies, especially chocolate chip. This is pretty good. It smells good. It's not bad. It's like not super sweet. It's not hard, but not super soft. This is actually really good. I'm gonna let my 7-year-old try that. That was good, guys. Really good. Okay. Next up, we have our clustered. This is how it looks. This is, let me see if I can find it. It's a clustered cake. It's moist and fluffy cake with delicious clustered cream filling that melts in your mouth. Texture of the cake is moist and satisfying, fluffy with silky smooth taste. All right. Okay. I'm not gonna open this one, but look how good. Okay. That cookie was good. This is toasted seaweed. So this is seaweed. I don't know. I've never tried seaweed. I don't know how I feel about trying seaweed, to be honest. Let me, as I read. Korean seaweed, or otherwise known as lever, is a traditional Korean snack made from seaweed. Crunchy in texture and savory in taste, this snack is a favorite in Asia. I know a lot of people do like seaweed because isn't it like really healthy? I don't know. Okay, fine. Let's. Hopefully I don't regret this. Let me see. You know, I smell things, guys. I know some people think it's weird. I blame my dad. He does the same thing. So this is how it looks like. Looks a little different. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's like very thin. It looks like I'm eating paper. Smells, oh, it smells like something, okay, like grass. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Okay. Definitely not my thing. Yeah. No, guys, I'm sorry. I don't like it. I'm gonna be honest. Good thing I have my coffee. I mean, it's super watered down, but it's not for me. It's not for me. I'm gonna see if my husband will try it. Yeah, it has this, I don't even know. It's like onion with, I don't know, guys. I just, no. I don't like it. Let's move on to something sweet. This is choco pie. And not saying that if you like seaweed, you might like it. But me, no. Choco pie. This looks really good. This is our biscuit layer with chocolate and marshmallow. The chocolate coating of choco pie surrounds the inner layer of marshmallow fun. There's that. And it says tips. Some people prefer to freeze the choco pie before eating it. So it might be even tastier if it's frozen. I know that sometimes chocolate, if you put it like in the fridge or even in the freezer for a little bit and then you eat it, tastes really good. So yeah, I'm not gonna open this because I usually don't like marshmallow chocolate stuff, but my 7-year-old might. So we did get 2 of these. That's pretty good. Okay, and then we got these Choco Mont twin pack mini chocolate biscuits. Oh, how cute this box. Adorable. Um, where is this at? Choco. Here it is. Choco Boy is a legendary mushroom-shaped biscuit with a crispy biscuit leg and cap made of chocolate glaze. Such an original and delicious treat. So I am gonna go ahead and open this up just to take the taste out of the seaweed I just ate. Oh, how cute. Like, okay. If you junk journal, you're gonna get what I'm gonna say. You can even use this type of packaging. I've seen so many people that junk journal with this. I've been into junk journaling and also like decorating your planner. I love seeing those things. Anyways, look how adorable. You could keep that for that if you're like into that. But look how cute. It's like in a little mushroom shape. Okay. It's kind of like stuck together because it seems like they're mini ones. Yeah, they kind of got stuck together. Probably just the heat, guys. The heat here. But I'm kind of trying to get you can kind of see that. All right, let's go. There you go. They're really good. Yummy. I think my 7-year-old would definitely like it. Okay. Then we got this. Try to see what this is. It looks like maybe cookies. These are pineapple cookies. Buttery cookies filled with a sweet and tangy pineapple flavored center of a delight. Balance of fruity and rich flavors. Look at that. Yummy. Okay. Once again, I feel like my mom would like this. It's like, you know how you see things and you think of that person that would like it? Okay, this looks like another chocolate, cocoa cookie. It looks like it's either in a stick form, I think. Maybe. Let me see if I could find it on here. Yes, cocoa cookie. It's a crispy biscuit sticks coated with smooth chocolate milk and generously covered with crunchy chocolate cookie crumbles. Ooh, this sounds good. Oh, really good. It has a little thing that says open. You know what this reminds me of? Stuff like this. Remember when, like, if you were a kid in like the 90s, remember the little, when you got like little food things, like if you played kitchen and stuff like that, and they gave you like little containers like for like your cereal, or you know what I mean, like little containers like this. That's what it reminds me. I don't know why, it just does. Let me give this one a try. Anything chocolate, I wanna try it. All right, drop it in here, put this here. And yeah, this also is like stuck together probably because once again the heat, but they got like stuck together. But these look pretty good, I'm not going to lie. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to pick that up. I mean, I just got the like the tail of it, but I'm sure it tastes good. It smells good. Okay. And then last 2 things is, once again, I think it looks like a cookie. And this, it's a, what is it? I'm trying to look for it. I think it's a cookie with, let's see, a cookie with French butter and peanut filling, packaged with nutrients including vitamin B, iron, fiber. These soft and sweet biscuits are a treat for the whole family. All right, there's that. Okay, and then the last thing we got, it's these butter coconut sweet biscuits, and I'm assuming they're made with, you know, coconut. These butter coconut biscuits are crunchy, delectable cookies that may catch you off guard. It has a unique taste of buttery with a hint of coconut. So these are those. Okay, let's try this one. Let's end with this, since all my chocolate is kind of melted. But that's not bad, guys. It's definitely, I feel like it's going to, like, yeah. think they got a little crushed, but it's okay. We can. You could barely taste the coconut. I mostly taste like the butteriness, but it's like a very like subtle buttery taste. I noticed that the treats, like the chocolate or the sugary treats, they don't taste super sugary like here. You know what I mean? It's like very faintly. You don't feel like you're eating like something not that healthy, if that makes sense. This is actually pretty good. Okay, definitely really good. And that brings us to the end of our box, guys. Definitely like this month's treat. Of course, there's always one thing that maybe I'm not gonna love, but that's not to say that you won't. But I definitely recommend and have so much fun trying out. As I stated earlier, I will leave all the information down below if you want to give this subscription a try. I think it's so much fun to try. You know, everyone around you could, you know, try it too, and just see how other snacks around the world taste. And what I've noticed is that they're not as sugary as here in the United States. Just saying. Anyways, let me drink a little bit of coffee. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, let me know about the beauty subscription for the month of July so I can know if you guys want to see it or not. But I'm going to end in my favorite way with scripture and encouragement, so it can encourage your heart whenever you're seeing this and whatever you're walking through life, knowing that Jesus is with you and for you. Okay. I actually have my little bookmark on here. All right, guys. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys, which just going to say it. I believe Psalms is my favorite book because I love so many other ones, but I really tend to really go to Psalms, and that's probably where I have the most notes and more highlights is probably in the book of Psalms. So my favorite book is going to be Psalms, and this is going to be out of Psalms 4, like the last part of verse 8. So here we go. It says, "For you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety." For you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety. Let those words really penetrate your heart. You know, a lot of people, sadly, find safety in so many other things. And if you think about it, those other things are not even tangible. Those other things are not even secure. Some people find safety on their job. Some people find safety in another person. Some people find safety in a product. Some people find safety in themselves, in where they live in. But if we're really honest, those things are truly not safe. All those things could be taken away just like that, quickly. But truly, whereas, like it says here in the bottom of, chapter 4, verse 8, "For you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety." The safety that provides us being in Jesus Christ is something that is secure, something that can never be taken away, something that we could rest upon. So I pray that this verse makes you ponder, is your safety really in the Lord, or are you placing it in other things? And if you are, this is the time where you can repent and replace your faith in Jesus Christ, because he is the secure and sure thing. Sometimes we even do it without us even noticing because of our everyday crazy busy life. But I pray today you can ask yourself the question, can you say, "For you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety"? All right, guys, I pray that this verse encouraged you. I pray that it made you ponder, even that it made you examine yourself, because that's always a good thing. I pray that you would pick up your Bible more than you pick up your phone, because it will change your life. I love you guys so much. As always, if you have a prayer request, please leave it down below in the comments, email, through DM. I'm always here and available to pray for you, as always, guys. And as always, stay tuned. I have more videos coming your way. I love you guys so much. Have a great weekday whenever you're seeing this, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.